Hey jet setters, trendsetters, just a quick update. We're in transit across to Air Peninsula, and on the way across we haven't even got to Port Augusta yet. The wind started building, and the old D-Max, we get about 14 litres a 100 with no caravan. With the caravan we get 15, 16. With a little bit of wind around, might get 17. Never ever 18 at the worst. Hardly ever been there 18 litres to 100. Well, I said to the squeeze, we're going to have to pull over. Why is that, my dear? She goes. I said, well, I explained the situation. The wind is that strong that we're actually currently using 24 litres to the 100. I said, we're not in a hurry. We don't have to get there until whenever we get there. Oh, there she goes. The wind's blowing my arse over it now. Right, here she comes, another bullet. So I said to her, that's enough. She's like, you can hear me all right? I said, that's enough. We'll start looking for a parking bay. And the next parking bay we come across had 5 caravans in there getting away from the wind. So, no. So that parking bay was full. So then we took off on another 50 or 60 k's to find another parking bay. Well, we found one. Not a soul, not anyone in there. So instead of spending 24 litres to 100, we're just going to pull over for this afternoon. But I might have a little bit of throat oil. Yeah, a little bit of throat oil, so that means no driving. Yeah, so we're going to spend the night here. No need to punch into the wind. Yeah, just thought I'd give you an update on that. So anyway, I'll see you guys. Oh, there goes the wind again. I'll see you guys in the morning. Cheers, cheers. Safe travels. Catch ya. Morning, jet setters. I just thought I'd get you out of your little box to see where we ended up last night. See you in the morning here. That's right, I did get you out. Yeah, last night I blew. It said it was meant to stop about 6 o'clock. Well, I think it picked up. Oh my God, it's shaking the van, left, right, and centre. Yeah. But anyway, we survived. We came, we conquered, and we survived. But just thought I'd just get you out of bed and show where we ended up. Yeah, I'm glad like yesterday was over. Actually felt like some of the cyclones they have. You know, I've never been in a cyclone before, but one of those whirlies, that's the strength of the wind. Even pulled the slide out of the caravan in when it was at its peak. Pulled that in for an hour or so while we had some evening meal. Then it subsided a little bit, but the wind was still strong. In 1987, a band called Midnight Oil recorded an album, and they took a picture of this house and put it on the album. Diesel to Dust. Not a bad album, actually. Hey jet setters, there's voting in the town at the moment, and you got to do voting, don't you? Well, this little place of Spalding is no different than anywhere else in Australia. When you got to vote, you got to vote. It doesn't matter what you're travelling in. You got to rock up to do your voting. And this bloke here, he came in the voting. He's come in, gotten down, and he's taken off up to do his voting. Yeah, some of the stuff in and around Spalding, you know, it's a bit strange when you're talking around and there's people around. So anyway, in and around Spalding, you know, you've got your service station just over there. So you get your fuel, there's alcohol in the pub. And as we start the guy talk, the guy takes off in his tractor. He's done his voting, he's off. So anyway, so you've got a bed and breakfast, you've got a post office, your gun supplies, the tennis courts, there's swimming pool, there's footy oval, and there's free camping and free barbecues. What a top little spot. Morning, jet setters. Well, I like to get really excited, but I'm just a bit over that at the moment. Nah, it's just a bit quiet here. I'm in a little place called Golnair. Not been past here. The Misso and I used to drive past here. We'll call him one day. Never have until this time. Well, we spent a day just down the road at Spalding. Now that's a nice little town too, but I wish I'd come here first. I would have spent a couple of days just here. The pity is there's no real shop here. That's the worst part about it. And COVID, it's even affected up here. The pub here closed when COVID hit. No one could do anything, so the pub's gone. But they've got a bowling club here. And I dare say could be playing cricket somewhere on the oval, I suppose. I don't know. Tennis maybe. But here, for us jet setters and trendsetters, we've got this oval. You can squeeze yourself into that. It's a donation. You know what we do with donations? Give a little bit of money at least. But the thing about this, the donation, and it's $1 for a couple of minutes in the shower. So if you can't have a shower in a couple of minutes for $1, you're still a teenager. But and they've got a shop. Well, small deli type thing. I wouldn't call it a deli, but it's got small range, cans of drink and coffee and that bit of cake and stuff like that. Nothing fancy, but we bought ourselves, or the Squeeze bought a coffee there, or chocolate, or whatever it was. You know, I'll just show you the opening of this place here, so you know what you're looking at when you come past. I recommend it. Yeah. Well, that's it there, guys. Here's the sign. Golnair Gallery. That's what I forgot to mention. This what's his name? John Blackwell. He's an artist, and he's got a gallery. Now, galleries come and go, but you got your artist here with it. And they've got some knickknacks to sell. It's not open as yet because we get up a little bit too early. What's Charlie up to? Come on, Charlie Brown. Come on. Yeah, you'll be up to no good. Come on, kid. Come here. Come on. Alright. Where were we? Yeah. So you reckon you'll be able to find a spot around here? They've got fire pits scattered. What have I got? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 fire pits scattered around the oval here. Might be 5. What? Count that in a minute. Tennis court. Bashed the tennis court. Bashed the baller in. And just over there, for the kids to get out there and have a swing on that. Now you jet setters, there's a monument here. You gotta come and have a read. If you don't get yourself a bit of a cackle up over what you read, yeah. A monument put there for a bloke's favourite dog. You don't believe me? Come and have a read. I couldn't believe it. Okay, jet setters, when you come in here, this is where the kiosk is. In there, oh, it's not a kiosk, I should use that word loosely. This is normally all set up with tables, or when we rocked up here, set up with tables and chairs. Absolutely fantastic. And the canteen kiosk in behind there, they don't sell anything too flash, only coffee or cakes and that. The Squeeze had a, like I said, chocolate back here. That's the donation box. We know what we do with donation boxes. We put a little bit of money in there just to keep it going. Toilets and showers. Now, I don't normally do this, but I'm impressed. The buggers are near new. Charlie, get out of there. Come on. Showers. Charlie, get out of there. Come on. Charlie, get out of there. Showers. They're all but new. You put your money up there on the wall. $1, and when you put the $1 in, you get a bit of warm water, and it's bloody hot, not just warm. Charlie, come out. Come on. Ladies and gents, that one could be full. What more? What more could you want? Hey? Now, I ran out of throat oil last night, so we're going to have to move on. But if I didn't run out of throat oil, I might spend another day here. I do like the feel of the area. It's peaceful. I think it's only going to be about 19 or 20 degrees today. But this is the art gallery. It goes in through there. Come here. So when you guys are travelling south of Clare, we're south, no we're not, we're north of Clare, God, no one bloke's lost. When you're travelling north of Clare, heading up to Jamestown and maybe heading up to the, oh, who knows, heading north of Adelaide anyway, don't wipe out this little place, Gone Air. It's not total free camp, it's a donation. You got telephone reception. I'm with Telstra, but you got 4 bars here, and you got TV reception just on top of the telly, top of the van, just wound it up, and I got reception straight away. I haven't looked for water, so it could be water around. Charlie's running amok again. There's no dump point, but you don't need a dump point because you got toilets and showers. Charlie, put a brain in for God's sake. doing? I think we've got a happy puppy. You little dick. Okay. Oh, here comes the squeeze. Look at it. Yeah. Ran out of throat all last night. And had to revert to the ouzo. Anyway. Hey, I've got to help the missus. She's hobbling along here. Hey, jet setters. We're at a place where we're on the way back from, not back from nowhere. We're on our way to the Eyre Peninsula, and the squeeze and myself, when we're still squeezing each other, you know what I'm saying. We come across this place many years ago. We used to have a little bus, a little Mazda bus, and we come up here. We found this place, and we lost track of it. Couldn't work out where it was, where to find it again. And we was going through this Horrocks Pass, and we said, I reckon that's up there. So we made a U-turn, made our eyes bulge, and worked that one out. So made our eyes bulge, and came up this lookout. I'll show you what I'm looking at. We used to call it for years and years and years the top of the world, because we spent a night up here, and I think you can still do some camping. I'll spin you around. It's not a clear day. It does get windy. They built wind farms not far from here, so good indication it does get windy. Anyway, they call this Horrocks Lookout. This is what we're looking at. We spent the night up here, and it was a really, really clear night. Extremely good. And you can see the other side of the Gulf. I hope you can on the camera. I don't know whether you pick up that shiny thing out through there somewhere. That's just out of Port Augusta. Coming down through Horrocks Pass, there's a parking bay down on the left and right hand side. There's a campsite just there in front of us, a little bit to the left. I've been told that come night time, and there's hardly any traffic, you can get tucked in there quite nicely. You might hear the odd truck, you might not. As you come out down out of the ranges, you got the view, the big windmills, the big fans. Not bad. Any trains?
This is a very busy road.
Go.
Going.
Going. car knows where they're going. Straight on. No blinker. That's for you jet setters. There's a car coming up behind us. There he goes. So use your blinker then. Good on you. Okay, jet setters. Just thought I'd let you know. We pulled up at Port Augusta. We've been on the road for 6 weeks.
Yeah.
6 weeks, and we decided to go into a caravan park. The reason for the caravan park, we needed a shower. No, not quite true. We thought we stopped off at Port Augusta. We're here for 3 days. We had to do some computer work and do some washing. That's our excuse, and to give young Charlie a bit of a go in the water down the beach. So this is where we are at. Shoreline, yep. Absolutely bloody beautiful. So, yeah, so that's where we are and what we're doing. We're having a bit of a eat up just as well. Just having a wrap like we do. Yeah. So then after we've been here, go back and finish off the washing and
we'll head off tomorrow.
You're gonna head off tomorrow morning. Yeah. Where are we going?
Yeah. The knob. Oh, knob.
Gonna go for the knob, or might even go for the other beach one. Free beach out around the corner.
Oh, Port Augusta.
Port Augusta, that's it.
Yeah.
Go to Port Augusta, a bit more water. Then up. It's been a while since you've been on the knob there. It's been a while since you've spent a night on it anyway. We might be able to. Yeah. Anyway.
I have to live with it.
See you guys.
Bye.
Plenty of grog. I've got plenty of, well, I've got beer, I haven't got stout in mine.
Yeah, I'm alright.
You alright? I might have said before, guys, that we're watching Chasing Dreams, and they mentioned a few of the apps that they use, and one of them, I have to say thanks Bo and Maddie, that yes, we use the fuel chasing one now, and that same one what you guys use, and all you other people out there, all you other jet setters and trend setters, I recommend as well fuel I forget the name of it now. Anyway, for cheap fuels, price on fuels and stuff like that, and where they are and all that type of stuff. That just saved us 6 cents a litre. Yeah, from one inside of town to the other. We're just going through Port Augusta, and on the main thoroughfare was I forget what it was, just straight off my head. But yesterday we went around to this side street and got it. You have to pump it yourself. No big deal there. So you pay by card and 6 cents a litre cheaper. Thanks, Bo, Matty. All the best. Jet setters, we're heading for. We were thinking of going to Iron Knob, but we are for sure going to Port Lowry. So that's where we're heading, just out of Port Augusta at the moment. Heading for Port Lowry. Then we're going to go to the Knob, Iron Knob. Hey, jet setters, trendsetters. Yeah, we've eventually got to Port Lowry. And what a beautiful day. This is in the morning again, and the current out there, just check out these boats. I don't know whether you're going to pick it up or not, but there's a fair old current out through there. The boats are going got the motors going fairly well, but they're not moving, indicating the current. Yeah. And guess what? Don't you guys go start laughing, because I bought myself a hat. Alright? It's called a piss off hat. Go annoy some other bastard. That's what it's called. Don't laugh. Okay? What do you think of that? Just piss off the flies. Eh? The squeeze is not. She hasn't got hers on, but she has got one. So,
Hi guys.
I was just about to say hello, Squeeze.
What a beautiful area this.
Yeah. Hey, jet setters. Yeah. So this is where we are at Port Lowry. We're going to land the video here, and we'll head off to Iron Knob in the next 2 or 3 days. But if you're coming down, call into Port Lowry. It's not a bad little spot. I reckon they'll have the showers fixed by then. Like the video, like and subscribe, and yeah, we'll see you on the next video. Cheers, guys. Charlie, can I tell you something? Did you know you're not having any stout? Charlie, joke of the day, right? They say that if you're losing your hair in the front of the head, Charlie, talking to you. Come here. Charlie, come here. Charlie, joke of the day. Go listen. What it is, they reckon if you're losing hair in the front of the head, you're a good thinker. If you're losing hair in the back of the head, you're good in bed. If you're losing your hair front and back, you only think you're good in bed. Boom, boom. See you, jet setters. Thanks for watching.